Hello again, everybody. Elric Ferris, Editor-in-Chief from Motherboards.org. Last week, we brought you previews of some of the latest motherboards to be launched for Intel's new i5 platform. This week, we'll be bringing you the actual reviews. The first one of these reviews that we're going to be bringing to you is based on Gigabyte's new P55-UD5 motherboard. This motherboard is an entry-level motherboard that's based on Gigabyte's ultra-durable 3 technology. It has many nice features for the end user. Follow along as we show you the scores and performance of this new motherboard. This is the new Gigabyte P55-UD5 motherboard. As you can see, it uses the same ZIF socket as previous motherboards, only this ZIF socket is based off the new 1156 package design. The motherboard is a very unique cooling system, cooling both the system bus and the capacitors on the motherboard. As you can see, there are 4 slots for your memory. Unlike the previous generation Intel motherboards, this motherboard goes back to using dual channel memory and supports up to 16 gigabytes of DDR3. There are 3 PCI Express slots for your video card, a 4 channel, a 16 channel, and an 8 channel. Unfortunately, this board only supports standard SLI and standard Crossfire. It doesn't support quad. The new Gigabyte P55-UD5 can use up to 10 hard drives since it has 10 SATA controllers. The blue controllers are based off the SATA 1 channel, the white off the SATA 2. The rear I/O of the new P55-UD5 has some great new offerings. It features a new eSATA USB combination connector, and there are 4 of those you can see located here. So not only do you get your standard PS2 keyboard and mouse ports, your standard optical and coaxial digital audio, you also get this new port. This port can use any eSATA or USB 2.0 device. This is a very great thing and one of the most interesting things I've seen on the new chipset motherboards. The audio for this new motherboard is brought to you by the Realtek ALC8898 codec, which features 7.1 high definition audio and also features Dolby Digital Surround. As you can see, the new P55-UD5 is based off a standard ATX design. This motherboard should fit in most standard or larger enclosures. This is the test system, and here are some scores from our tests. The new Gigabyte ultra-durable 3 P55-UD5 is a very solid motherboard. It's built well, supports Crossfire SLI, and has many other features to make it very appealing to the end user. The new eSATA/USB connection is very nice. All in all, I give this a very high praise board. It's not quite an editor's choice or a hot product since it's an entry-level product, but if you don't want to break the bank and still want to get a really good motherboard for the i5 platform, this Gigabyte P55-UD5 is a board worth your consideration.